CapCut Desktop Change Storage Path. How to move CapCut Cache folder to D drive. In order to change your storage or destination path for CapCut on your PC, launch CapCut and this is the interface you will see. From the top left of the screen, you can see the menu icon. Just click on that drop-down menu and over here one of the options you'll find is Settings. Just go to Settings. Now from Settings, under Draft, you can see Save To or Screen Recording or Download To. You can choose your autosave folder from Save To, Screen Recording folder from Screen Recording, and Download To, which is your export folder from this particular setting. You can also choose to auto-delete or not delete your cache files every 30 days or so. After you've done that, you can just click on the Save button to save the changes. This way you can change your output folder in CapCut. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.